Hi fellows, so today we will learn about how teachers use Excel for data analysis for their student results. And let's start the video. So you're welcome. So we have a table which columns are like roll number, student name, their marks and their percentage and their result and their results are in first, second, third, pass and fail. So we have to count how many students are first and how many students are second and how many students third and pass and fail. So we have to count how many students are got these divisions. So if you have to count with the condition, there are there is two condition. First we have to count. So first we have to count and second with a condition. Which condition? How many are first? We have to count. We have to count that how many students are first, and first is a condition. We don't want to include second rank, third rank in our first division count. So we use the count if formula as like any row and column with a criteria. So we have to include and range like this, top to bottom. um, then Then we selected the range E2 to E26. Now we have to fix that column to press F4, and then you look carefully. It is asked for criteria, and criteria means this cell. Then bracket close and we have to hit the enter button. So the countif function counts the G3 from that cell, that range. If any condition get true, that will be count, and any condition, any record were countif found false, then this is not be counted. Then enter. In this record there are only 7 students top and 6 students second, third, 3 students third, and 6 students were passed and only 3 students were failed. So we analyze this data from that column. So I hope you understand that function. So that is for today, guys. We will meet you tomorrow. Thank you.